I am Mr. Ibrahim Saudagar, Assistant Professor, Department of History, Government First Grade College, Naragund. Today I would like to discuss the topic the Indus Valley Civilization or the Harappan culture and its most elaborate feature, that the town planning of a Indus Valley civilization. Dear students, the Indus Valley people were lived in the towns. They were built the towns with the burnt bricks. In the town planning, the first point we have to discuss the fortification. The fortification nothing but the protection wall, and they built the protection wall to protect themselves from the flood and the defend themselves from the attackers. Every towns having the fortification walls, and most important sites like Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Dholavira, Kalibangan, they having the more the protection wall or the fortifications, which also having the gateways, guard rooms, watchtowers, which consider as one of an important feature of a Harappan civilization. The second point, the dwelling houses. They built the small and the large houses. Small houses which consisted 3 to 4 rooms, and the large houses were consisted 6 to 8 rooms. And they were measured in 8 into 9 meters, the small houses, and the big houses were like a palaces. The houses were having all the facilities what we are having in a modern days, like the staircases, the kitchen, the toilet, the bathrooms, and other facilities. The houses were built by the bricks which were measured 26 into 12.5 into 5.5 centimeters large. 51 centimeter large brick has been found, and the most important thing that they were used the L-shaped bricks. The next, the drainage system of the Indus Valley civilization, which proves that they were more conscious about their health, and they were built the drainage, and they maintained the cleanliness. The next aspect, that the streets which were very straight, wide and large, which run a half a mile, and Mohenjo-daro, where there was a 10.5 meters a large street have been found. The next one, the Great Bath. The Great Bath which was found at Mohenjo-daro, which measured 180 into 108 meter. It was built by the burnt bricks, it having a swimming enclosure which measured 30 into 23 into 8 feet, and it was built on a platform which was 1 meter wide, 41 centimeter height, and it having 8 rooms which were built by the burnt bricks, and they were built that with the burnt bricks, and they used the gypsum, one kind of a cement type of a material. Okay, thank you.